Welcome to my channel Digital Generation. Here is an important question based on mirror formula from reflection of light from a spherical mirror. The question is, a converging mirror forms a real image of height 4 cm of an object of height 1 cm placed 20 cm away from the mirror. The question asked here is, calculate the image distance, and second, what is the focal length of the mirror. Now first we will write the information given here. The height of the image is 4 cm and it is also said that the image is real, that is the image is inverted. So height of the image will be in negative sign. Therefore height of the image or h2 is equal to minus 4 cm and h1 1 cm. Height of object is always positive. Here it is negative because real image. It is given in the question that the image is real. So the height will be in minus sign. Place 20 cm away from the mirror. Object distance u is equal to 20 cm. Object distance is always in minus because it is formed on the left side of the mirror. So always negative. Now first we have to find the image distance. We know that h2 by h1 is equal to minus v by u. We will put the value. h2 is equal to minus 4, h1 is equal to 1 minus v, we have to find it out, and u is equal to minus 20, or minus 4 is equal to minus v by 20 is equal to plus v by 20, or minus 4 into 20 is equal to v, or minus 80 is equal to v. Therefore v is equal to minus 80. Here minus signs means that the image is formed in front of the mirror or on the left side of the mirror. So the image distance will be 80 cm. So image distance is equal to 80 cm in front of the mirror because it is a real image. Now to find the focal length, we will use the mirror formula. 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Here v is equal to minus 80 cm. So we will write the value 1 by minus 80 plus 1 by u. U is given here minus 20 cm is equal to 1 by f, or 1 by 80 minus 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by f. We will find the LCM of 80 and 20, which is 80 minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 1 by f, or minus 5 is equal to 80 is equal to 1 by f, or f is equal to minus 80 by 5 is equal to 16. F is equal to minus 16. Here in case of converging mirror or concave mirror, the focal length is negative because the focal length is on the left side of the mirror or in front of the mirror. So focal length will be 16 cm. The negative sign indicates that the focus is in front of the mirror or on the left side of the mirror.